Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to introduce our newest project, which is, wait for it, a 1990 Volkswagen Corrado. I know, I'm excited too. So, we just picked this car up, the wife wanted one, so I said, alright, sure, here you go. And this is a 1990. It's a 1 year only blue. They changed the paint code for the next year. And yeah, as you'll notice, it's got a 5-lug swap already done. Sort of. I say sort of because it appears that somebody has used the G60 subframe, but plus size arms, and then they cut the sway bar off. So we're going to have to fix that, obviously. But let's look inside here, and you'll see that the carpets are missing. The seats are out, but we'll get back to the interior later. So now let's cruise around to the front and see what's under the hood of this thing. Surprise, it's nothing. This was a G60 car, as I might have mentioned earlier. The motor was pulled out for a timing belt job and a clutch and just an overall refresh, and the previous owner got in over their head, and this is how it is. So instead of going through all the misery of putting a G60 back in this car to have it be a slow, unreliable pile of crap, well, we're going to put a VR6 into it, and we're going to do some other cool stuff too, but we're not going to talk about that until we get there. This is going to be a long-term build. I wanted to slap it together and get it going for the wife, but I kind of really want to make it special, so we're probably going to do that, and you'll see we have quite a lot of cleaning and removal of things to do under the hood here, but all those things we will get to here, and we're going to start doing some of that here later in the video by power washing everything, get the carpets cleaned, getting the seats cleaned, and overall just getting to a pretty well blank slate, good place for us to start. So overall, it's not a bad looking car. It's definitely a 10-15 footer. By no means is this car mint or in excellent condition. It's been resprayed semi poorly, but it does have some redeeming features. You may notice if you know Corrados that this has a VR6 hood on it. I do think it still has the G60 bumper and the G60 fenders. So overall, we got kind of an ugly car to start with. It's got dings, it's got dents, it's got scratches, the paint sucks, but it doesn't have any critical rust. There's no terminal cancer on this thing, so that's good. But yeah, this is where we're starting from. So we're going to do a whole thing on this car, and I guess we'll take you guys with to watch. So now I got to go get the hose out, got to get the power washer, and we got to get some of the schmutz blasted off of this thing. So let's go. take a quick look at the interior, or the seats rather, and as you'll see, this is Corrado Blue Dot seats. They are actually in pretty good shape. They just need cleaned up. The rear, what's it called, armrest thingy is a little bit faded, but all in all, they're in really good shape. So we're going to extract or vacuum these real quick and basically get the rat smell or the mouse smell out of them and have them good to go and ready to put back in the car. So let's go. Before you say it, I know it's a long video of just cleaning, and I understand that. So thanks for bearing with me on this one, and future videos we're going to have a lot more substance to it. We just had to really get to a baseline point where we can actually put this car back together and not have it be like full of mouse aids or any other garbage like that. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions, criticisms, comments, whatever. And you know, hopefully you guys will keep tuning in for the rest of this build series, because we're going to be busy doing a lot of stuff. So as I say, if your project doesn't have bonus parts, it may not be a real project. Until next time, guys.